Okay, this part we are going to, yes sir, be replacing that. That is nasty. The seat itself isn't too bad. I mean, it is messed up over here and over here, but this is what we're gonna work on. And I bought these from Amazon. I think they were 30 bucks. See that right there? So see how close they are to the color, but yeah, this is how long it should be. That's right there. This one is that. What's that? All the same shit. Same thing. Wow. Well, and that is the aftermath. So it looks pretty good. You can pick it up. But yeah. Now, the seat's not too bad. And yeah, it came out good actually. Dope. That's gonna be the next project. But alright, so now this is the driver's seat. I did this part. Not the best, you can tell, but quick glance, doesn't look that bad. And when the sun makes it look way different, but yeah, it's pretty big fucking pretty noticeable difference. But it's new, so that's what counts. But there's this one that has this crap. So we use the same one for this one now. See the end result. Oh. Dope. Well, that was that part. Now, sorry, my camera's not focusing. Yeah, so that is. So the seat is slowly coming together now.